Trying to find the right sewing machine for leatherwork can be really daunting because there's so many different models and types and brands out there. Stick around for the end of this because I've got a little tip for you. I have an older video where I recommend what leather machine is good for beginners, but my feelings have changed a little bit. And it's all because of this. Yep. Everyone that's familiar with this channel already knows that I love Sailrite. I love the quality, I love the customer support, I love the motors they use, I love the people behind the business. But up until now, they've only had one machine that's specific for leatherwork, and that's the very appropriately named Leatherworker. I'm actually gonna do a video comparison between the two machines in the near future. It's much smaller, it doesn't have a leg lift. So if you're hoping to find a machine that's good for beginners but can also carry you into a more serious phase of your work and even into some production level stuff, well, I'm excited to tell you about this. This kit is for Sailrite's Fabricator machine. That's this one. The Fabricator already has a long-standing reputation of being an excellent machine, but that's mostly in the marine world for fabric and canvas. If you wanted to use it for leatherwork, you were probably gonna have to hunt down a few parts and make a few modifications. Well, now they're selling this kit that has everything you need to make this machine one of the best in the market for leatherwork. It comes with a whole bunch of leather needles, a tri-point diamond, and it has a really awesome description in here, sort of educating you on the different types of needles and the different looking stitch that you'll get with each one. But you also have like some clips, a scratch-all, and it comes with a whole bunch of other goodies that you'll need, but this is the real secret sauce. This little piece right here is what makes this machine really smooth and magical. This is a 12-tooth cogged motor pulley. I was deeply honored that Sailrite was asking me what sort of things make a good leathercraft machine. And of course I gave him a whole list with the left zipper foot, the different needle types, smooth bottom presser foot, and the feed dog, all that kind of stuff. Any of you that have watched anything of mine know that the one thing I was definitely going to suggest was adding a speed reducer. In other words, changing the gearing of the machine to add more torque and to slow it way down. Well, they took that and they made something even better. Instead of adding a big giant pulley and a second belt, they came up with a better solution. They came up with this smaller 12-tooth cogged motor pulley that does the same thing. It slows the machine down while also adding torque. But the best part is you don't have that second belt, which in the end was adding more noise. That was one of the biggest complaints on that Tandy machine. So it's much less clunky, easier to assemble and install, and just a lot more simple all around. And with this you get a really smooth, beautiful operating machine. So that's obviously my favorite part about this, but let's go through some of the other things in the kit. A swing gauge sewing fence. This is the shorter cogged timing belt that you're gonna have to switch out when you change the pulley. A completely smooth presser foot kit with the feed dog as well. We got white bonded nylon 138, white 92, 92 black, 138 black bonded nylon thread. Thread burner, everybody loves these. And one of my very favorite things that Sailrite does that I haven't seen with any other manufacturer out there is put together these really visual and easy to understand installation guides. The photography and the way they break all the steps down is super visual and easy to understand. So when you're hopping online to buy your new Fabricator, because I know you're gonna, don't forget to add this kit into your cart. I'll have both links down in the description to make it easy to find. And you're gonna end up with an incredible leathercraft machine with great customer support, tons of helpful information. Let's be honest, it looks a little bit better than the rest of them. Have I talked about this butcher block enough? I just want to caress it. Now you can stop stressing about what sewing machine you're gonna buy and just get out there and start getting creative. Make some killer leather goods that people are gonna love. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.